We'll now demonstrate the installation of a 2.5mm ForeverFit self-adjusting mechanism on a new 3-stone ring we're setting up for a client. The first step is to measure the client's knuckle size in the usual manner. A comfortable slide over the knuckle allows for a bit of future growth and is important for those clients with sensitive skin or painful neuropathy. Next, we select a ForeverFit shank of the next hole size up. Shanks are available in sizes 5 through 12, in 2.5, 4, and 6mm widths, and come in 14 and 18 karat yellow, white, and rose gold, also in platinum and sterling silver. Once past the knuckle, the shank adjusts down as much as 3.5 sizes, which is enough to satisfy about 95% of all customers. The next step is to shape the client's ring to the desired knuckle size. Then determine the point at which the client's ring best matches up in width and thickness with the ForeverFit shank. Next, we remove the upper portion of the ForeverFit shank. Then mark the corresponding points on the client's ring and remove the bottom portion of that ring. The ForeverFit design allows us to retain most of the sides of the customer's ring. Very convenient if there are design elements or stones down the side. Note that we can even remove a small portion of the hinge slot without affecting the normal travel of the sliding hinges and finger cradle. It's a good idea to remove the stainless steel leaf spring at this point so it's not affected by heat of soldering. The spring simply floats under the moving finger cradle and is easily removed by gripping one end with your needle nose or tweezers and slightly curving it to ease it out of its channel. No solder is used in the assembly of the ForeverFit, so there is no danger of freezing the mechanism during installation. The 21 thousandths pins are a press fit and can be easily pressed out if ever necessary to repair a damaged ring. Align the joining surfaces and we're ready to solder the parts together. If we're using a laser welder, we want to bevel the edges of the mating surfaces to allow for a good solid weld with filler metal. The final step is to smooth joints and polish the ring. Then pop the spring back into position, but if rhodium plating white gold, insert the spring after the plating job. Your client can now enjoy a ring that slips on easily yet feels safe and secure and does not flop from side to side. Creating a solitaire is another way to use the ForeverFit shank. Simply notch the top of the shank, then drop in a head of your choosing. By choosing one of the wider shanks, it's entirely possible to combine 2 or even 3 rings with a single mechanism, as in this fine example by Miss Calla Gold. The ForeverFit can also be offered as a standalone wedding band for ladies and gents, and since it comes as a complete band, the undecided client might be allowed to road test the band for a few days before installation to clinch the deal. Thanks for watching. ForeverFitRings.com by Reller Gold.